Yeah, good morning all. Now the waiting room is over and we are going to start the study now. Okay. So can you hear me my voice? Then just type boom that we have started. Just type boom. If you hear my voice, now voice is coming. Then write down boom in the chat box. Yes, very good, Amit. Vinit. Yes, yes. Bhavesh. Now the voice is clear, I think. Okay. Now everybody is hearing. Now one of the tasks that I have given in our last lecture or in our last session is that you have to find out the 25 web browsers name. So you have done that. Write down in the chat box how many has done. Yes or no. Many of the send the list of me in WhatsApp also. So they will write also. Yes sir. And yeah, things. So what is the information you have got? So my question is, what information you have got? Okay, you have the find out the 25 web browser numbers. Okay, okay, do not send in the chat box 25 numbers. You have done. But my question is, what is the information you have got from the finding the web browser? तभी आप web browsers के नाम ढूंढ रहे थे, तभी आपको क्या information मिली? I want that information. Write down in the chat. What the information you have got, please. One of the Nandini has written that some web browsers are only for Linux. Very good. Some are free and some are paid ones. Very good. Very good, Nandini. Next one, please type down. I got so many new and interesting web browser that I have never had before. Gaurav, very good. Yes, let's make interactive session. All has to give the answers. Okay. I doesn't need 25 browsers name. मुझे पता ही है कि आप 25 browsers name आपने Google किया होगा और आपने सर्च कर लिए होंगे. लेकिन what is I want is what information you have got from this searching. आपने ढूंढा उससे आपको information क्या मिला? वो मुझे चाहिए. All the web browsers are different. Unique. Okay. 3 have given the answer. 4, yes. But many browsers are there. With them, I am not familiar and come to know about them. Okay. Firefox is the topmost used web browser and also number in whole the world. Very good, Priyanka. Sahil, there are many web browsers other than Google. Dear, Google is not a web browser. It's a search engine. Dear. Then Nilesh, sir, browsers have a unique features. Okay. Then Aditya, there are so many other browsers which you are not familiar with. Okay, so we got the information of others. all 4 leading web browsers are Explorer, Firefox, Netscape, and Safari. Okay, very good. Then Farad Prasad is saying that mainly 4 types. Apache. Apache is a web server. Dear, it's not a web browser. Then Sahil Chrome is good. Then Kushal Hadial, all the browsers are very different. And Netscape is one of the original web browser. Okay. Top most important browser for web browser is the top use. Netscape, Safari, Firefox, Nginx, yes, Prashad, Priyanka Jha, Bhavesh Akwar, UC browser, other browser, okay, other browsers. Some are made by Microsoft, some are by Apple. Nandini, you have write the browser from Apple. Which one? Write down the name from the Apple. Has written down the browser's name. Doesn't send browser name. I am knowing you just find out in the Google and copy and paste into the chat box. Sir, I have found 4 web browsers. Very good. You are searching more. In Microsoft Edge. Okay, okay. So these are the things that you have got the browser names and some of the information. Okay. Microsoft Edge, Brave. Okay, these are the names. Other than the information that you will find out from this, I don't know the name. I was reading. I find that. Okay. Modern web browser automatically update themselves. Yeah. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, that's a fine. That is the definition of the web browser and so. Sejal sir, मेरा नाम नहीं आया. Yes, Sejal, your name is not there. Fine, fine. Also come to know the rank of all the web browser in the whole world. Yeah. Good. Anyone has seen any history of any web browser? When you are finding the web browser, anyone has finding any history of any particular web browser? Okay, one of you said Yashvi Rathod, the first web browser is World Wide Web browser, which is created in 1990. That is one of the information. Because what happens, let me introduce our subject in BCA. What is our main achievement to find out all these things? Because we have lots of data near our body. Okay. Then I have said that you have to find out the names of 25 browsers. So all have search it down, Google it down, or any search engine that you have used to find out the name of, because now in books it is not possible to find out the 25 browsers names. So that's why you have find out in Google, okay, and quickly you got the answer. How many milliseconds you will find the search? Google is giving the milliseconds, no? Answer in milliseconds. Okay, so you get the answer in just in millisecond, not in a minute also. So that is the very quickest way to find out the information in Google. But the information regarding the browser is that what is the history, what is the usage. It is used in camera, it is used in computer, it's used in laptop, it's used in mobile device. So there are lots of information that you will find out about the particular browsers. Why? Because when you are creating a website, when you are developing a website, it will open in the whole world. I am saying that right or wrong, the website that you have created, it will display it in whole world or not. Please give the answer, yes or no. Yes, yes, yes. No. Priyanka, Gaurav. Let's be interactive. है ना? Display to the whole world. So हम जब भी वेबसाइट डेवलप करेंगे तो हमें वो पता होना चाहिए कि हमारी वेबसाइट जो है वो पूरे वर्ल्ड में दिखनी चाहिए। अभी अपनी वेबसाइट्स जो है वो ओपन किस में होती है? वेब ब्राउजर में होती है। विदाउट वेब ब्राउजर वेबसाइट कैन नॉट बी डिस्प्लेड। ओके, सो वो लैपटॉप में भी हो सकती है, इट विल बी इन टैबलेट, इट विल बी इन मोबाइल डिवाइस एंड अदर पोर्टेबल डिवाइस दैट आर यूजिंग द इंटरनेट। जहाँ पे भी इंटरनेट है, जहाँ पे वेब ब्राउजर है, वहाँ वो ओपन हो सकती है। तो हमें वेबसाइट ऐसी बनानी है जो हर वेब ब्राउजर के साथ कंपेटिबल रहे, तो हर ब्राउजर्स के साथ ओपन हो। दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड द नेम्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द वेब ब्राउजर्स। तो जैसे ही कोई वेबसाइट हम क्रिएट करते हैं तो हमें टेस्ट करना है सब ब्राउजर्स के अंदर कि वर्ल्ड में कहीं से भी बंदा देख रहा है तो ये वेबसाइट ओपन हो रही है नहीं हो रही है, या हर ब्राउजर में ओपन नहीं हो रही है, तो हमें वो भी चेक करना है कि वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा ब्राउजर यूज हो रहा है। उस ब्राउजर में तो हमारा ओपन होना ही चाहिए ताकि 70% 60% जो वेब ब्राउजर्स यूज हो रहे हैं तो उसके अंदर हमारा जो वेबसाइट है वो डिस्प्ले हो जाए। सो आई थिंक यू आर ऑल क्लियर कि हमें इंफॉर्मेशन जो है ब्राउजर के लिए क्यों चाहिए, क्योंकि फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ वेबसाइट वी नीड web browsers and what are the things and what are the histories and what are the make. They are a free source or they are a paid source. They are from Microsoft, they are from Apple or other manufacturing company that are produce the software for websites. Okay, that's clear. Now we will move to the further. Now I am sharing my screen and let's learn some different things. Okay, so when we talk about the web hosting and web server, we have to another thing, that is two things that we have to learn is what is web client, what is web server. Okay, two are the major question or basic questions, that what is web client and what is web server. Okay, so anyone knows what is web client? Just type in chat box. client is your web browser. And what is web browser? It is used to open any website. Okay, that is, I think, clear to all. It is open to any website. And what is web server? It's a web host. Means is is rent space to rent. It is a rentable space. Practically, I will show you how it will be. It is a space to, you can write down also host website. Simple one. So let's check our web browser and let's check our web server. Okay, that's clear to you. Next step is how to check, and we also know that every website name that's called domain. Okay, so domain is that, and domain is the name of the website. We have to open the website, then we have to type the domain name of that website. So many times when you open the website, it's a domain name. So our website is dnvac.in. That is a website not opening. Then PSK Kutch University, I think this website that you have visited. So this website is opening, but this is not opening because of some reason. This is not opening. Okay, and it will be opening. So my internet connection is working, but this website is not opening, and this website is open. Okay, so here you have to type who is domain. Just write down who is domain. There are lots of searches will be there. One of my favorite is whoisdomaintools.com. Just click on that. It will give the information of domain, where it will be hosted, where it will be a name server, when it's expired, all these details. Okay, so we are just typing our website dnvac.in. Please look up now, search. Now you can find that. It will give the detail of our domain name, means our website. Yeah. So you see that the registrant means who has registered this domain. Okay. Then who is the registrar of domain means where it will be purchased from. Then you can find also that these are the servers where this domain is hosted. Okay, so these are the things. Now you can see that when this domain is created, it's on 10th of 2014. When it will be expired, okay, so this website is expired. That's why it's not opening. Okay, this website is expired. That's why we are not opening. Okay, and so you can find many information. Look at this. They are hosted in this server. So many information, IP location, where it will be. It's in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The location of your web hosting server. So these are the technical details that you got from Whois domain. There are lots of websites and you can get the information about that. Suppose you are searching for Facebook, so just type say Facebook and search for this domain. तो पता लगेगा कि वो कब create हुआ था and when it will be. It's a basic information that it's registered. Who has registered this domain? It's a company name. It's a protected. They have protected these things. So publicly we cannot see. Register 1997 it will be registered, and it will go expire in 2028. Name server means where it will be hosted. These are the name servers. So many a thing that you have got from this. These are the basic domains and these things. So our website is not opening because our domain names expired. So we have to renew this domain. We have to renew this domain. If we do not renew, then it will be expired. Again, where we can purchase from this, and where so the web client is our web browser, where we open the website, and webhouse is the server where our website is hosted, and domain is the name of the website. Okay. So that are the things that we have to learn. So how to purchase a domain name, that we will learn. It's all practical thing that you have to learn. Suppose we want to purchase this website from GoDaddy, and just type godaddy.com. Here is the option domains. Here you can search. Here you can search. Suppose you want to purchase a domain that this you have to give the names. If already taken, then it will not be taken by you. So I am writing this DNV learners. Sorry, let me just spelling mistake. So it will give that dnvlearners.com is available in 199 rupees per year. But to register that, you have to register for the 2-year registration. So that your mini card, you can see that there will be a card option is there. Already my user is logged in, that's why it's saying that. But you have to see that and add to card option will be there. And it will show that you have to purchase. These are the different domains that is also expired. DNV learners will show that for 1 year if you want to renew, then it will give us arrangements. It's in you have to find in Indian currency that it will be rupees 849. 19% off you get 2 years renew. Okay, it will be a 1248. Okay, then continue to that and you have to payment. So this is the basic way of how to purchase a domain. And another thing is you need also web space, means you have to purchase a hosting space. After developing a website you have to put in this web server. So there will be a different hosting plan is also available. These are the basic plans for hosting. Just you can have to go through. We are not going in detail, but just you have to know the knowledge of where to buy or where to domain or where to host. Okay. So this is our today's session. That okay. So now any question? Then type in the chat box here. uh, you really want to see the practical of this our domain is expired of DNAC, you want to see, then type yes, so we will do together also. Sir you speak in English please. Okay प्रियम, मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ कि ये सेशन जो था वो हमारा स्टडी का था, इसमें आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हो। अदरवाइज मैं चाहता हूँ कि आपने ये देखा कि हमारा अभी वेबसाइट जो है वो डोमेन जो है वो एक्सपायर हो गया है, तो हम उसको रिन्यू करने जा रहे हैं। तो आपको प्रैक्टिकली देखना है कि वो रिन्यू कैसे होता है, कैसे किया जाता है। तो नेक्स्ट सेशन में आपको वापस जोड़ सकता हूँ इस चीज के लिए, इफ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन। if you really you want to see the practical how to renew the domain name, आपने देखा है कि कैसे परचेज होता है, ठीक है। तो प्रैक्टिकली मैं वो पेमेंट ट्रांजैक्शन करके ही आपको दिखा सकता हूँ कि कैसे ये ट्रांजैक्ट होता है, कैसे आप परचेज कर सकते हो if you want to see, because this session we are ending, and any question regarding this topic then you can ask. So we will join again at 10 o'clock. So I will with debit card and credit cards, and we will do this renewal of DNA college website, because you have an opportunity that this time this domain name expired and we will renew it. So that is beneficial to you, that you will see the practical of that. Because Bhavesh sir is not taking lectures today, okay? They are mentioned that they postponed that lecture, so we will see the practical. And I will get my credit cards, so we will transact them and we will do further. Okay. So let's join at 10 o'clock. Thank you. And any question, then we will again discuss at 10 o'clock. Thank you. Please do. Priyanka, your question is, do we always have to buy a domain when we are creating? We will discuss at 10 o'clock. Okay? We will meet at 10 o'clock. We will discuss. You again raise the question. Please. This time we have to leave and leave this meeting.